Hi guys, in this video, previously we have solved about the questions. Now we are going to solve this type of questions, that is tan 45, and we have to prove this tan 48, 23, 42 and 67 is equal to 1. So firstly we will write tan 48, tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67. Now these all are the angles. Now tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 90 minus theta. So now cot 90 minus 48 is 2 and 4. I'll write here as 42 and tan 23 and tan 42, and here we need to write here cot 90 minus theta, because it is tan theta can be written in the form of cot 90 minus theta. So again, cot 90 minus theta, 90 minus 64 is 23. Now this can be written in the form of like tan can be written in the form of 1 by cot. So it can be written in the form of 1 by tan, and tan 23, and this can be written in the form of here we change this term as we have tan 42, and we change this term as this term, and this terms can be same, so we can cancel it, this term and this term, and we need to change this term as we can make it as 1 by tan 23. So this tan 23 and this tan 23 gets cancelled, this tan 42 and this tan 42 gets cancelled, and we get the answer as 1. So we have solved this first one, and we now move to second one. So the second one is, guys, cos is given here, and the minus sign is given here, and we need to prove that 0. So LHS we will write here, LHS cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52. Right here sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus 38, and this can be written as cos 52, and here this can be written in the form of sin theta can be written in the form of sin 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta can be written in the form of cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta can be written in the form of sin 90 minus theta. So I make this term in the form of cos sin 90 and 38, like we have sin 52. So sin 52 and sin 52 gets matched, and here we have cos, this can be written as cos 52 and sin 52. So now the terms matches, as you can see. Here we have sin 52, it is sin. I'll write it once again clearly. So this is sin 52, and here we have sin 52, and here we have cos 52, and here we have cos 52. So as you can see that these things are matching, so that we can say that they both gets this whole term and this whole term gets cancelled, and we get answer as 0. So this is how we proved it, guys, and that's all. If you have any video regarding this topic, regarding any of the topic that you find difficult to study, you can please do suggest me the topics that are difficult, and if you haven't liked my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do hit this subscribe button, and till then, watch the next video and stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.